Imagine Bitcoin jumping above $114,000 in just 2 days, all because of US politics. That's exactly what happened. A looming government shutdown just sent Bitcoin flying. Between September 28th and September 30th, Bitcoin surged past $114,000. The spark? Comments by Vice President Vance, warning that the US is headed toward a government agency shutdown on October 1st. With Congress deadlocked on the budget, investors panicked. Capital rushed out of traditional markets and flowed into Bitcoin, which is increasingly seen as a stateless hedge against political chaos. This matters because it highlights Bitcoin's role as a flight-to-safety asset, much like gold during financial crises. It reinforces Bitcoin's appeal as decentralized insurance against dollar risk and government dysfunction. A shutdown could hurt markets in the short term, but it only strengthens Bitcoin's long-term case. Over the weekend, something else grabbed attention. A Satoshi-era whale wallet suddenly came alive, moving 400 Bitcoin, worth $44 million. These coins had sat untouched since 2013, when Bitcoin was just $720. Now, they're up nearly 16,000%. No one knows who owns it, maybe an early miner, an adopter from the early days, or even an institution. But it sends a clear signal. Some early holders are taking profits at these record levels. Still, analysts at XWN Research Japan insist the bull market is far from over, pointing to on-chain data that still shows underlying strength. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy is facing what some call a dilution dilemma. The company just bought $22 million worth of Bitcoin. But here's the catch: 94% of those recent buys were funded by shareholder dilution. In simple terms, they're printing more stock just to keep stacking Bitcoin. The problem is, this erodes the value of MicroStrategy's stock, making some investors wonder if it's smarter to just hold Bitcoin itself. Chairman Michael Saylor is in a tough spot. If he stops buying, he risks losing Bitcoin credibility. But if he keeps diluting, he risks losing shareholder trust. One thing is clear: political chaos is once again turning into crypto opportunity. We'll be watching closely to see if the shutdown fuels another rally. So make sure to hit subscribe and check back tomorrow for the latest update.